Did you know you can use AI tools to prepare for IELTS and TOEFL faster than ever before? We'll show you how to master IELTS and TOEFL step by step. Welcome to our channel. Let's explore how smart technology can make your preparation easier and more effective. First, vocabulary building. Instead of memorizing long lists, use AI-powered apps like Quizlet or Anki. They use spaced repetition to show you words at the right time, so you remember them longer and with less effort. For writing practice, tools like Grammarly and Quillbot can be game changers. Write an essay or a short response, then run it through these tools to check for grammar mistakes, clarity, and tone. You'll instantly see where you're making errors and how to improve. It's like having a digital tutor available 24/7. Now, speaking practice. AI speech tools like Elsa Speak or even Google's voice typing can analyze your pronunciation and fluency. Just record yourself answering IELTS or TOEFL style prompts, and get instant feedback on where you need improvement. This helps you sound more natural and confident. For listening, use AI-based transcription tools. Take a podcast or video in English, run it through a free transcription tool, and compare your listening notes with the actual transcript. This way, you can spot exactly what words or phrases you're missing. One of the most powerful uses of AI is mock testing. Some websites now use AI to generate adaptive IELTS and TOEFL practice questions, similar to the real exam experience. Practicing under those conditions saves you time and prepares your brain for test day pressure. And here's the best part, AI gives you instant results. No waiting for a teacher to mark your work. You know right away what's working and what needs attention. So, if you want to prepare faster, smarter, and more effectively, start using these AI tools today. They won't just save you time, they'll boost your confidence and get you closer to your dream score in IELTS or TOEFL. Your success starts here. Enroll in Transform Academy's online IELTS and TOEFL courses on our website by using the link in the description box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more learning content.